Kata kamano kamantiere ni antiere e lap ma Hadija mano od bura mamvita kuma piny owacho kawuono piny ngima yange odiochieng' ndawa kata World Tobacco Day. Antiere gi moko kuom jogo manie sekta mag weche mag thieth adwa ni gilernwa ni to odiochieng' ni ma ni shang'o to gin weche mage magitwaki odiochieng' ma kawuono. Karibu sana, tunazungumza na Ramogi TV. Labda utueleze tu hafla hii ya leo pengine inahusiana na nini na masuala ya sigara pengine hadi kufikia sasa changamoto zilizoko ni nini? Anza tu kwa jina tafadhali.
Asante sana. Mimi naitwa Abdullahi Daleno, Chief Officer wa Public Health and Disease Prevention, Mombasa County Government. Leo ni siku kuu ya kuadhimisha World No Tobacco Day katika Mombasa County, na ni kwa sababu Mombasa County imeonekana kwamba it is among the second leading counties ambayo iko na idadi kubwa ya tobacco usage, which we think it is affecting our citizens, and that at 20% usage, the diseases that are associated with tobacco use are having a lot of resource impact, ambapo sisi kama county we have to sensitize the communities, tuwaeleze ya kwamba hii magonjwa yanaweza yakazuiliwa ikiwa tunaweza achana na hizi utumiaji wa tobacco. And another issue is that tobacco is among the drugs, the gateway drugs that people start with. People will start trying using, let's say, cigarettes, and then from cigarettes they graduate to other hardcore drugs, and that we have to inform our public that this is actually affecting our citizens, and that we need to control and we need to sensitize the people that as much as you are enjoying at the moment, the impacts can be long-term, which is detrimental to our health. It can cause a lot of diseases, including cancer, lung problems, teeth problems, and many health hazards. However, sisi siku ya leo tuna sensitize communities, telling them that yes, as much as you are using tobacco, you need to know that this thing is harmful to your health.
Tumejua hamasa zimekuwa zikitolewa na hata kuna sheria zilipitishwa kwamba labda picha za ambazo pengine za kuonyesha madhara ya sigara kuwekwa katika zile paketi za sigara, lakini hivyo bado tunaona watu wanatumia. Labda unahisi nini inastahili kufanyika?
Unajua, ikiwa national government ikiwa inaweza ongeza ile VAT on all products ya tobacco, ita discourage ile users kwa sababu itakuwa haiwezi kwa affordable kwa watu wengi, na hiyo ndo jambo moja ambalo serikali inaweza ikafanya na ikashirikiana na counties na partners kuhakikisha ya kwamba hii bidhaa isiwe inaweza fikia wananchi wengi. Yeah.
Wachachiel kende weche mag ndawa iparo ne okang' mane monego kaw mar tieke?
Yeah, gimonego bedni watimo onego make sure ni tiego mtindo mondo ging'e yore mopogre opogre ma jok ma timo ohala mar tobacco tiyogo mondo omigi oyuagi machiegni mondo giti gi tobacco. Koro watemo matek mondo wapuonjgi mondo ging'e ni yore mage mitiyogo, nikech ka giseng'eyo to kapo ni nitie moro amora matemo chopo machiegni kodgi to giboringo. Yeah.
Mana kaka winjo janeno mar Ramogi TV, mago mana jogo moko kuom jogo mantiere sekta mar weche mag thieth e kaunti ma Mombasa kaende katwak ewi wach odiochieng' ma kawuono ni piny ngima yange odiochieng' geng'o kata duoko chien wach tiyo gi ndawa. Ne Ramogi TV kuwuok e kaunti ma Mombasa, nyinga en George Aoko.
George Aoko erokamano ahinya. We thuolo idhi ranga ne chenro moko matimore kar kanyo.